A 3-day Train the Trainers workshop has been held in Lagos to boost entrepreneurial and employability skills among instructors. The program, organized by the Agency for Mass Education in collaboration with Technoserve Business Solutions to Poverty, is aimed at improving the quality of instructors responsible for equipping students with practical trades and skills.
Helping us to fill the gap in terms of improving on the quality of our instructors by exposing them to competencies required in the 21st century so that they can achieve the objectives of the training that they are carrying out in terms of our trainees in different trades and vocations. And it's a collaboration between Technoserve because they have some business solutions to poverty, business solution to equipping the quality of trainers, and at the end of the day, they are better equipped.
This training is timely. When you bring our own instructors and other private instructors side by side, this is Lagos State. Anybody collaborating or working with Lagos State must excel. So we want them to excel. That's why this training is coming on board. And the training is all about employability and entrepreneurial skills, So they have learned, they have relearned, and they have unlearned. They are not the same anymore because of the new ideas that has been given onto them.
The public-private partnership seeks to close existing gaps by exposing trainers to key competencies needed in today's workshop. During the 3-day workshop, participants received intensive training on areas such as customer relationship management and financial management.
It is a privilege for being part of this group. I must say it's going to go a long way to help me not in the future, most especially the materials going to all. I won't want to part of it. Apart from being part of this class, it's a rich and vital document.
For this eye-opening program we've arranged, the inspirations, the knowledge and the past for us will not go wasted. You have shown us the way to improve ourselves, to know our disadvantages and advantages as an entrepreneurship.
It has really awakened me and made me to discover my potentials as an individual, especially being an entrepreneur. So it has helped me a lot to discover my personalities, and it has helped me on how to build up myself and to interact and how to grow in business, to grow myself, to grow in business, and then to add value to the country at large.
What we live for is to transcend what we learn and what we know to the people that we train, to the people that we impact life into. I've gathered so much knowledge, and then how to lead as a leader and how to manage humans, people that I train because I work with people. I impact life to people, knowledge to people, and then they've trained me also how to become not just a trainer, not just an instructor, but a manager, to also manage human beings and how to relate with my trainees.
Organizers say the initiative is designed not to only strengthen the capacity of instructors, but also to ensure that students across the state are better prepared to contribute to economic growth and self-reliance.
The idea is for us to build the capacity of these trainers so that they can in turn provide these skills, much needed skills to the young girls at the grassroots level. We are doing a 3-day capacity building training right here in Ikorodu, courtesy of the ministry, the agency, and we are very grateful for the support of the Lagos State.
The collaboration has been helpful because we have a target of 37,000 girls in Lagos and Kano, and the agency has the numbers. So we are leveraging on the numbers of the agency to be able to reach out to girls in underserved communities in Lagos, which we know that this agency is their core because they are dealing with young adults in underserved communities in Lagos State. So it's a welcome development because they are going to help us cascade this training. It's going to be beneficial to us. We are getting the figures, and the trainees are learning skills on employability and entrepreneurial abilities.
The Agency for Mass Education says it will continue to explore more partnerships to empower trainers and, by extension, learners in Lagos.